If you're an outdoor enthusiast or just someone who loves exploring the night, the 4K night vision goggles by Bushbinoc might be exactly what you need. These binoculars are packed with features designed to enhance your nighttime adventures, offering a unique blend of high performance, night vision, and convenience. One of the standout features is the 9 levels of infrared night vision. This allows you to adjust the brightness according to the surrounding darkness, ensuring you get the best possible image no matter the conditions. Whether you're in pitch black environments or just low light, these goggles can adapt to provide a clear view. Another great feature is the capability to capture 4K videos and 36 megapixel photos. This makes it easy to document things in stunning detail. Whether you're birdwatching, camping, or just exploring the night, you can capture every moment with clarity. These goggles also come equipped with a 4000 milliamp hour battery, so in day mode, you can expect up to 12 hours of use, while infrared mode can last between 4 to 10 hours depending on the level of infrared you use. This eliminates the need for constantly buying and replacing AA batteries, making it more environmentally friendly and cost effective. A minor downside might be the learning curve associated with all these features, especially if you're new to night vision technology. However, once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh the small inconvenience. Overall though, these Bushbinoc night vision goggles are a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their nighttime adventures. The combination of advanced night vision, high quality image and video capture, and long battery life make it a versatile tool that you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again.